At SMS Institute, a transformative journey awaits every student, enriched by a tapestry of initiatives aimed at honing both academic and personal growth. Central to this mission is the commitment to academic and research support, where students can immerse themselves in a world of scholarly exploration. By contributing to various research journals, they engage in global dialogues, enhancing their academic profiles through workshops in computer literacy and writing, essential tools for future success. In a landscape where entrepreneurship and innovation flourish, SMS Varanasi proudly hosts a Center for Entrepreneurship, Innovation, and Skill Development. This vibrant hub encourages students to unleash their creativity, paving the way for groundbreaking ideas and business ventures. Collaborations with organizations such as MSME amplify this effort, providing specialized guidance for aspiring entrepreneurs, turning dreams into reality. Global exposure is another pillar of SMS's educational philosophy, as the institution partners with international universities to broaden students' horizons. This initiative is vital for cultivating a comprehensive understanding of the world, preparing students for a multitude of global opportunities. Furthermore, community engagement through the Rainbow Club nurtures a spirit of social responsibility, with activities ranging from blood donation drives to environmental awareness campaigns. In addition, SMS Institute effectively communicates with students through targeted SMS messaging, delivering crucial information about academic deadlines, career opportunities, and extracurricular events. This personalized approach fosters a strong sense of belonging and community among students, ensuring they remain informed and engaged throughout their educational journey. Through these diverse initiatives, SMS Institute stands as a beacon of holistic student development, committed to shaping well-rounded and responsible graduates.